Have you ever wondered how best to share a past event or experience in a written form? It's called writing a recount. Imagine being able to transport your readers back in time, immersing them in a past moment as if they were right there with you. Or simply sharing a factual account of an event, shedding light on what happened. That's the magic of a recount text. A recount serves three main purposes: to inform, to entertain, and to evaluate. It's a narrative that unfolds in chronological order, painting a picture of past events. Think of it as a journey through time where you're the guide and your words are the vehicle. Emerging writers, this is your playground. You just have to share your life stories, which is an easy win for those who regularly suffer from writer's block. A recount text is a fantastic way to flex those writing muscles. It's written mainly in the past tense, allowing you to weave a story without the creative pressure of constructing a complex storyline. Remember, a recount text is a way to relive an event or experience and share it with others. Getting the structure right is key to a compelling recount text. Now think of a recount text as a journey into the past and the structure of your text as the map guiding your readers. To start, you'll need to answer the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. These details set the stage for your recount and provide context for your readers. Next, consider the sequence of events. Chronological order is crucial in a recount to maintain clarity and coherence. Group related details into paragraphs, creating a logical and seamless flow for your readers. If the recount involves you, don't hesitate to sprinkle in personal insights, comments, or opinions. Remember, recounts are always written in the past tense. Choose the first-person perspective for personal recounts and the third person for non-personal recounts. And to keep your readers engaged, use connective language and transitional phrases. With the right structure and features, your recount text can transport your readers back in time. Now, taking all we've learned, how does one go about writing a recount text? Well, first things first, set the scene in your introduction. You need to orient your reader by explaining the who, what, when, where, and why. This is your chance to draw them into the world of your experience or event. Moving on to the body of your recount, this is where you'll explain what happened. It's crucial to be selective with the information you share. Think about what will engage your readers, and remember, not every detail is a necessary one. Vary your transitional language. Phrases like first, next, soon, eventually, later, and finally can be your best friends here. They help to create a flow and rhythm that keeps your reader engaged and makes your recount more enjoyable to read. As for the conclusion, this is your opportunity to share some personal insights into the events. How did you feel? What did you think? This is the part that helps your reader connect with you and your experience on a deeper level. Once you've written your recount, don't forget to edit. Read your work from the perspective of someone with no knowledge of the event. Does it all make sense? Is it engaging? Writing a recount text is like sharing a slice of your past. Make it as vivid and engaging as you can. So, ready to pen down your own recount text? Remember, your recount should inform, entertain, or evaluate, all while relaying events in chronological order. It's all about the who, what, when, where, and possibly why. If it's personal, go for a first-person perspective. And don't forget to toss in some transitional phrases to keep things interesting. Need more guidance? Head over to literacyideas.com for templates, examples, and whole teaching units. Writing a recount text is a journey back in time. Make the most of it, and happy writing.